We're here at Castle Hill today to complete a lateral internal cable installation for the client in preparation for their HFC network. The MDU team have left the lateral cable stubbed and fitted with a barrel just above the doorway. So we've drilled a hole, pulled in some lateral cable. We have located the end of the cable that's marked for that unit, and soon we'll complete the fit off with some new F connectors. So now we've fitted off some new F connectors and tensioned them up on the barrel in preparation to poke the RG6 up back into the square conduit fitted by the MDU team just outside the unit. Okay, so we've completed everything now. We've put everything back together. We've completed a 10 by 16 mil ducting in the unit, fitted off a socket. We've installed a lateral cable to the desired location. That will actually tack up under the wall when the carpet's fitted, and completed testing.